So today I'm going to show you some facial exercises that you can do when you're out walking. So they're all hands-free, so you can do them when you're doing anything like walking or running or in the gym or doing yoga, or maybe you just don't want to touch your face, maybe you're wearing makeup, maybe you haven't washed your hands. So these are some that you can just easily do. And if you are doing it whilst you're walking, it's really nice just to have the video on, maybe have some little earphones or something like that, and you can even just listen to the audio if you don't want to watch the video of it. Okay, so your first one, which is hands-free, is just taking your tongue, bringing it from the inside of the mouth, just here at the side of the cheek, all the way up to the nose area. So you're going. Okay, so we're going to do 10 of those together now. Lovely, so we've done one side, and what we're doing there is we're helping to strengthen and tone the muscles around the cheeks and the mouth area. Let's do the other side now. Let's do 10 together. Wonderful. Okay, relax the mouth for a moment. Let's work the eye area. So we're going to do some eye exercises. Now, if you're out on a walk, you may want to sit down on a bench whilst you do these. You may want to stand still. Just know that you can adapt these exercises any way that suits you, depending on what activity you're doing. So with the eye exercise, really simple. Again, hands-free. We're just going to look from side to side. Keep the rest of your face really relaxed. And start to breathe deeply now. So if you're walking, it's quite nice to breathe in through your nose and then out through your mouth. If you're sat down relaxing, just try and doing it in and out through your nose. It's just a bit of a longer, deeper, relaxing breath, but definitely whilst exercising out through your mouth works more effectively. Now this eye movement from side to side is helping to strengthen the muscles around the eyes, inside the eyes. And it's also very good for helping to boost the circulation, so it really helps your eyes to look healthier, and it's said to help with eye health as well. And then we're going to look up and down nice and gently. Now try not to raise your forehead. If you find that you are, either do the exercise a little bit less, so don't go to your full capacity, or if you are able to touch your forehead, just gently place a hand on the forehead to keep the forehead nice and still. So you're not raising those eyebrows, so you're not creating any lines or wrinkles as you do this movement. Okay, then focus on one point in front of you, make the eyes really wide. Take a breath, really strengthen that muscle that runs around the eye, the orbicularis oculi muscle, and then just relax your eyes. If you're able to close them for a moment, do so, but don't worry if you can't. Okay, so our next exercise, great again. If you're still walking, you can do this whilst you walk. Tilt your head back, bring your lips together, bringing the tip of the tongue up and down towards the roof of the mouth. So you're feeling it work underneath here as the tip of the tongue comes up and down at about a rate of 1 per second. Let's just do 5 more of those. And relax back down. Okay, now you're going to turn your head to one side. Tilt your chin up. If this feels uncomfortable walking or running, then stop for a minute as you do this one, or just skip this one. Same thing again, tip of the tongue comes up and down towards the roof of the mouth about a rate of 1 per second, lips closed, chin slightly lifted up, really working with toning the neck area. Okay, we've done 30 that side. Let's turn and do 30 the other side. Slowly come back to your starting position. Okay, so we're just going to work our cheek area now. So we're going to puff the cheeks out full of air and you're going to transfer the air from cheek to cheek. So you'll go. Now keep that going. Now normally with this one, I recommend if you see any lines created around the mouth area, use the fingers and smooth the skin. Do a bit like that, but if you don't want to touch your face, just do transfer from side to side. Deep breathing in and out through your nose. Let's do about another 20 seconds of this. And relaxing. There we go, you've done your lovely facial workout. If you'd like more information about face yoga, about teacher training certification, about skincare, and about my 2 books, Danielle Collins Face Yoga and the Face Yoga Journal, head to faceyogaexpert.com. Have a lovely day. Take care. Bye-bye.